Moshiach Olav Shalom. It is in honor of the importance of the mitzvah of Ahavas Yisrael. Enjoy. No one had a friendly word to say. When he came by, they all just looked away. The mention of his name just brought a frown. He was known as the miser of the town. In synagogue, they never called his name. People wondered why he even came. Little children cursed him up and down. They were told he was the miser of the town. Well, the years they came and went, no one thought that he spent, and he spent his final hour all alone. And when they heard he died, not a single person cried, and they buried him somewhere without a stone. The rabbi heard a knocking at the door. A crippled lady stood there old and poor. She asked him for a little food to eat, and could she come inside a while just to speak? You see, till last week we were okay. For a year somebody's brought us food each day. We never saw him come or heard him go. And who this person is, we just don't know. Every single day that week, somebody new came by to speak. The orphan girl, blind man with his cane. And mother saw the real that a prophet Jew, who gave a life but never gave his name. I guess you all can figure out the rest. Charity is the miser was the best. He was buried properly with a town's apology. In a place of honor he was laid to rest. In a Jewish graveyard somewhere there's a stone for a man who kept his charity unknown. And on the stone the simple words are